Kylendar Mini 4.2-inch Smart E-Ink Paper Calendar. Kylendar Mini is a smart e-paper calendar that keeps your schedules, updates, and essential information always within sight. Design that fits anywhere. An eye-friendly e-paper display with ultra-low power consumption. Designed for both desktop placement and wall mounting. Multiple templates for every need. Choose from clocks, calendars, reminders, weather, news, stocks, and more. Customize the display to match your lifestyle. Easy setup, fully customizable. Create your own layouts in minutes. Sync seamlessly with Google Calendar, Outlook, Apple Calendar, and more. Now, choose your favorite layout. Start by choosing the page that fits your style. Your perfect dashboard begins here. Built for the world. Kylendar Mini supports over 10 languages for users around the globe. Available in classic black and elegant white to fit any space. 2 timeless colors. Available in classic black and elegant white. A perfect match for every desk, shelf, or room. Compact size, powerful battery. Compact and portable, with a built-in high-capacity battery for word-free, everyday use. Kylendar Mini. Your day, beautifully simplified. Everything important, always in view. Kylendar Mini 4.2-inch Smart E-Ink Paper Calendar. That Kylendar Mini now.